Welcome back to Car Garage. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2020's Lexus LX. Get ready as we explore its features, performance, and what sets this luxury SUV apart from the competition. The 2025 Lexus LX boasts a bold and commanding presence, embodying the luxury and ruggedness that Lexus is known for. With its updated exterior design, it combines sophistication with off-road capability. The new grille, sharper headlights, and muscular stance make a statement on any road. Under the hood, the LX is powered by a robust 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. This engine not only enhances performance but also improves fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor. Coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience is smooth and responsive, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tough terrains. Inside, the 2025 LX is a haven of luxury. The spacious cabin features high-quality materials, advanced technology, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The 14-inch touchscreen is equipped with the latest Lexus interface, offering seamless connectivity and navigation. Plus, with a premium sound system and customizable ambient lighting, every drive feels like a first-class experience. Safety is a top priority, and the LX comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, Lexus ensures that you and your passengers are protected on every journey. For those who love to venture off the beaten path, the LX offers an impressive all-terrain capability. With features like multi-terrain select and cruise control, you can confidently tackle various driving conditions, making it a versatile choice for adventurers and luxury seekers alike. As we look ahead to the 2025 Lexus LX, it's clear that it stands out in the luxury SUV market. With its blend of performance, comfort, and off-road capability, it's designed for those who demand more from their vehicles. Thanks for tuning in to Car Garage. If you enjoyed this overview of the 2025 Lexus LX, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about this luxury SUV and what you'd like to see next.